Residential Sales Comparison and Income Approaches, page 18. While we are discussing property inspection, the level of the inspection is determined in the scope of work. An appraiser's personal inspection of a property will undoubtedly provide the greatest confidence in the data that is collected by him while he is on site. USPAP allows for any combination of a property inspection and other documents to identify the relevant property characteristics. Specific USPAP courses for appraisers provide more detail in all of these areas. The data collected for an appraisal from primary and secondary sources consists of two types of data: general data and specific data. Both types of data are required in all appraisal assignments in order to comply with Standard 1 of USPAP. Sources of general and specific data can be primary or secondary sources. General data. General data is information that has an effect on the subject property or the comparable sales, but is not singularly related to only the subject or the comparables. For instance, the school, district, tax rates of an area, utility providers, etc. Economic and market conditions are also considered general data. Appraisers must stay current on national interest rate trends and must be familiar with business conditions affecting the economic base of an area. Changes in federal laws are important, as are changes in local laws, particularly zoning. Demographic changes, population shifts, and buyers' taste on national and local levels are all important. Physical and environmental changes and trends are also vital to the appraiser's conclusions. Typically, appraisers use general data to analyze trends. Specific data. Specific data is information that is specific to the subject property and the comparable sales. Specific data includes things such as site features and improvements, site characteristics such as size, the shape, topography, landscaping, etc. of the subject property, and the comparables would be one example. Physical characteristics such as features, quality, condition, etc. would be another. If there is a specific restrictive deed condition applying only to the subject property or the comparable, this would also be considered specific in nature. Data organization. Here, data organization refers to how the appraiser arranges or lays out the collected data for his eventual analysis. Appraisers use a variety of methods depending on the type of data being analyzed and what is being applied to. For the sales comparison approach, the comparable data is often presented for analysis by organizing the extra note. What are underwriters? The appraiser will collect both general and specific data, which can come from either primary data sources or secondary data sources.